Welcome. This episode, we're going to be building part 6-13 connector rod joy gear bush and 6-14 connector rod small end bush for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to be building part 6-13 connecting rod joy gear bush for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Then let's go right plane, normal. It's going to be two circles. This piece and the next piece pretty much the same. I was thinking of putting them together. I have them separate files, separate videos, because they are different part names. That way, if someone's after a certain part, they can still find it easily. 12 mil, and 8 mil, I believe it was. 8 mil, yep, 8 mil. It's going to be extrude. 9 mil, mid plane, and okay. So that's part 6-13, connecting rod joy gear bush, done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Short and sweet. Next one's going to be short and sweet too, so I definitely will put them, you know what, I'm going to make this one video because they are very small. So now, we're going to do part 6-14, connecting rod small end bush for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So go File, New, Part MMGS, so right plane, normal, pretty much that's the same as the one before, 6-13, just different dimensions. That's why I decided to put these together. It's going to be 17.5 and 12. Oop, 12. Then we're going to go to extrude. It's going to be mid plane. That's going to be 19. And done. And that's part 6-14. Connecting rod small end bush, done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Very short episode. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.